Good morning, little bugger. Where are you running away for? Oh, hello, darling. Oh, beautiful sight after me night shift. Oh, where are you going? That's not where to greet you. Morning, little bugger. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, I want to play, but I want to go to bed. Play nice. Play nice. Where are you going, darling? Are you going to go after her? He is. Hello, little bugger. Where are you going now? Hey? You've lost your sister. Where is she? Hey? Where are you going, eh? Where are you going?